Hello, I am Mihela. Today I am going to talk about a very unique bird. The Asian openbill. The Asian openbill or Asian openbill stork is a large wading bird in the stork family Cichonidae. It is greyish or white with glossy black wings and tail, and the adults have a gap between the curved upper bill and lower bill. This is why we call them openbill. This is why we call it a unique bird, because of the opening between the two bills. This distinctive stork is found mainly in the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. Young birds are born without this gap, which is thought to be an adaptation that aids in the handling of snails, their main prey. Although resident within their range, they make long-distance movements in response to weather and food availability. From a distance, they could be confused with herons, but they can be clearly distinguished from herons by their feeding habits, wading slowly through shallow water. Their calls are like named locally as Wiwara Thiduwa or Bellan Koka. I have seen flocks of Asian openbills in Guiana, Sigiriya. Guiana is an eco-resort situated in Sigiriya. It's surrounded by paddy field, lake, marshes, forests and wildlife. Guiana is one of my favorite places to see birds. You can see up to 30 to 40 birds just by walking around the hotel.